Print on demand, how this simple business can make you $1,000 plus a month. What if I told you that you could start a business today, with zero inventory, no shipping hassles, and still make over $1,000 a month, even in your sleep? Sounds impossible. Welcome to the world of print on demand, one of the easiest and most profitable online business models in 2025. Whether you're a college student, stay-at-home parent, or full-time employee looking for extra income, this could be your perfect side hustle. In this video, we'll break down what print on demand is, how to start, where to sell, and the secret tips top sellers use to earn thousands monthly. Stick around till the end, because I'll also show you a real example of a $100,000 plus print on demand store that started from nothing. Let's dive in. Part 1, what is print on demand? Print on demand, or POD, is an e-commerce model where you sell custom products, like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and hoodies, without ever touching inventory. Here's how it works. You design a product, or use AI tools to do it for you. You list the product on a marketplace like Etsy, Amazon, or Shopify. When someone orders, a print-on-demand company prints your design on the product, ships it, and handles everything. You only pay for the product after you make a sale. No upfront investment. No warehouse. No stress. Part 2, what can you sell? You can sell just about anything. T-shirts with funny quotes. Mugs with zodiac signs. Hoodies with anime designs. Phone cases with motivational art. Stickers, tote bags, notebooks, the list is endless. The best part? You don't need to be an artist. Free tools like Canva or paid ones like Kittle and Midjourney can help you generate viral designs in minutes. Part 3, where to sell. You've got your designs. Now where do you sell? Option 1, Etsy. One of the best platforms for print on demand in 2025. Millions of buyers, easy to set up. Just make sure your designs are unique. Option 2, Amazon Merch on Demand. Leverage Amazon's audience. If you get approved, you can upload your design, and Amazon handles everything. Option 3, Shopify plus Printify or Printful. If you want your own branded store, this is the way. You control the branding, pricing, and customer experience. Bonus, TikTok Shop and Instagram. Social media is driving print-on-demand sales like crazy. Short videos showing your products in action can go viral overnight. Part 4, how much can you make? If you sell a t-shirt for $25, and it costs $10 to produce and ship, that's a $15 profit per sale. Sell 100 shirts a month, and you've just made $1,500. Many sellers report earning $5,000 to $10,000 per month with the right niche and marketing. And the best part? Most of the work is automated. Part 5, secret tips from top sellers. Want to maximize your earnings? Here are some pro tips. 1. Niche down. Don't sell to everyone. Focus on passionate groups like dog lovers, teachers, or gym fans. 2. Use SEO. On Etsy and Amazon, titles and tags matter. Use tools like eRank or Everbee to find high-volume keywords. 3. Ride trends. Pop culture, memes, holidays, and current events can help you go viral. But be careful with copyright. 4. Run ads. Small budget Facebook or Etsy ads can bring big traffic. Test different designs to see what sells best. 5. Upsell. Offer matching hoodies, mugs, or stickers. Boost your average order value. Part 6, tools you need. Canva, easy design tool. Printify, Printful, for fulfillment. Etsy, Shopify, for selling. eRank, Everbee, for product research. ChatGPT, Midjourney, for design ideas and descriptions. TikTok, Instagram, for free marketing. You don't need all of them. Start small, scale smart. Part 7, real-life success story. Meet Sarah, a mom of 2 who started a POD store selling astrology mugs. She used Canva for design, listed on Etsy, and promoted her shop on TikTok. In her first 3 months, she made over $8,000. Today, she runs her business full-time, working from home, spending time with her kids, and earning passive income. Print on demand isn't just a trend, it's a modern way to build real income online without risk. You don't need a warehouse, a big budget, or even design skills. Just an idea, a bit of time, and the right strategy. If this inspired you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more money-making ideas, and drop a comment below.